Hello guys, welcome to the channel. From today, we are starting unsupervised learning. So first understand what is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where we do not have labeled output data. The model tries to find hidden patterns, groups or structure from data by itself. Now what it means. Now let me show you a data set. This is the iris data set, okay, without output. We all know in iris data set, we have three different categories, Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. These are three different categories are there in iris data set, okay. So here you can see we don't have the output, okay, and these are its only inputs: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. These are its only inputs. So, what supervised learning do is it will try to analyze from these input data only how many categories can be there from these by these inputs. Okay, it will try to analyze how many categories can be there. We know this iris data set has three categories because we have worked on this data set. If you have any another data in which you have only inputs, so you don't know about the data set how many categories can be there. So by unsupervised learning, we can analyze how many categories can be there in the output on the basis of these inputs. Okay, so we will not have the output like supervised learning in for our unsupervised learning. We will analyze the output categories by unsupervised learning, and we will only train the model by giving the inputs. Okay, so this is what unsupervised learning is. For example, this is our input data. This is not output. This has not output. This is only input you are giving to model for training. Okay, only input data. Then it will try to categorize it. Like I found two different categories by your input data, apple and watermelon. My model found that. See, I didn't have the output data, but it categorized it into two different categories. Okay. So this is how unsupervised learning works. Okay. So what is clustering? Clustering means grouping similar data points together. Okay. Or dividing data into clusters where points inside a cluster are similar to each other. What it means? Suppose Suppose you have these data, unlabeled data, where you will not have the output. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. So it found then that these inputs are similar to each other. So it categorized those. It made a cluster of like yellow. It made another cluster of green. These have different properties from yellow, and also one for the red. And these categories have different properties from these two. Okay, so this is how it clusters according to its property. Okay, it groups the similar data points together. Okay, these red dots are similar to each other, these yellow are similar to each other, and these greens are similar to each other. So it is making three different clusters. Okay, so let's understand by a real life example how we can use this. Okay, suppose a shop owner, suppose a shop owner has a customer data. Okay, which type of customers are buying from him, the products from him. Okay, so using clustering, you found like student clusters grouped together. You had a suppose this is a student cluster. Okay, you group that together using clustering. Second one, high income customers grouped together by you. Okay. And third one, premium customer group together. So we got three different, suppose this is a graph. Okay. We got three different types of clusters, three different type of categories for student customers, high income customers, and premium customers. We group together. And this will help business in a way targeting ads, okay, recommend products, okay, and improve marketing. So this is a kind of real life example how we can use clustering. Okay, so that's all in this video. This is all about basically overview of unsupervised learning and clustering for you. From the next video, we will see unsupervised learning algorithm. In the next video, we will see k-means algorithm. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.